Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious low-carb, keto-friendly broccoli chicken casserole. So for this dish, I used chicken broth, pepper, salt, almond flour, cubed chicken, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, onions, coconut oil, paprika powder, bacon, cream cheese, and broccoli. Start with washing and cutting the broccoli into florets. Cut the onions. Then boil water over medium heat, and once the water is hot, parboil the broccoli for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the broccoli from the water and cook the chicken breast in the water for about 5 minutes. Then cook the onions and bacon with a little bit of oil or butter until the onions become translucent. To the cream cheese, add paprika powder, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and chicken broth. Mix it and add the cooked bacon and onions and chicken and broccoli. And you want to make sure that the broccoli is dry because we don't want to add any excess water to this dish. Add cheddar cheese and mix it again. Then put the mixture in an oven dish, and I like to layer it, so on top of the first layer I add more cheese. I didn't use any thickener to make the sauce thicker, but you can use psyllium husk, which is keto and low carb friendly. Then I put the second layer on it, and I added more cheese and almond flour for a bit of crunchiness. Then bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 20 minutes. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.